Hey friends, it's Trisha here. Welcome to Freedom Hill. I'm in the studio today and I have 3 hauls to show you. 31 Gifts, the Dollar Tree, and 2nd Avenue. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. I laid all my 31 stuff out here so I could show you this haul. It's a pretty good size haul this time. My daughter held a mystery hostess party on Facebook and I won, so I got to get some stuff for free and I got to get some stuff half price in addition to the stuff I bought. So let's get right into it. Let me show you what I got. The first thing I got was the double duty caddy, and I got it in this gray crosshatch pattern. It kind of matches other stuff I have. Double duty caddy has 2 openings at the top, and it also has little mesh pockets on the side. I don't know how well you can see that with the lighting in here, but this is very convenient. And then it has the handle on the top. I also got the well-suited garment bag, and this one is especially important for me because when we travel, I basically just share a garment bag with my husband. And now I have my own. I had one of my own that I had picked up at a yard sale years and years ago, but it was really big and bulky. I opened this up so I could show you. Yeah, it's a garment bag, lots of pockets on the front and inside. They go all the way down. This thing is going to hold a lot of my stuff. So I was super excited to get this, a garment bag just for me. The next thing I got was 5 of these ball chain necklaces. I got 5 of them because I already have pendants to make some of my own jewelry. Each one came in its own little pouch. How cute is that? So I got 5 of these little pouches because I bought 5 chains. This was my free item. The next thing I got was the hanging traveler case. And I opened this up so I could show it to you better. And basically it's just what it says. It hangs up. But when it's not in use, it zips up in a very compact way. And the last 31 thing I got was this doorway display box. This thing is bigger than I expected it to be. I don't know if you can tell on the video. It has handles on each side. And it folds flat for storage, but I think this is going to hold a lot of things. It's kind of like tapered on the sides. If you can see, it goes down in the front. So yeah, thank you to my daughter. This is my 31 haul, and so far I love it. Can't wait to put this stuff to good use. My next haul items came from 2nd Avenue, my favorite thrift store. And these 3 things are all I got. These 2 glass mason jars. They are wide mouth jars. I liked the design on the front. They weren't just plain mason jars. They've kind of got this swirl action going on. And I thought that was pretty cool. Then I got this set of risers for the cupboard. It was $3.99. And I just thought that would be convenient. I have smaller ones in my cupboard now, but I need a bigger one. The jars were each $1.99. The last portion of this haul is from the Dollar Tree. I picked up these little hanging votive candle holders in different colors. They are textured and they have the handles. And I bought these because I'm thinking spring and getting outside, and I just thought they'd be cute to put around the yard or out by our picnic table where we spend a lot of time in the spring, summer, and fall. I also picked up these clear ones. They're a little bit bigger. They also have the handles. So yeah, I thought they would enhance our outdoors. And then I picked up a pack of 16 votive candles to burn in these. So that was it. That was all I got from the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.